ChildLife, Vitamin D3, Natural Berry Flavor, 1 fluid ounce, 29.6 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Essentials Nutrition for Kids. Great taste dietary supplement, kosher, parva, gluten, casein and alcohol-free. ChildLife Vitamin D3 is made especially for infants and children. Alcohol-free, natural ingredients, optimum absorption and great tasting natural berry flavor. Health tip: recently, the American Academy of Pediatrics doubled its recommendation for the amount of vitamin D that all children should receive. These recommendations have resulted from new studies reflecting the many benefits of vitamin D, including support for healthy bones and a healthy immune system. Suggested use: for infants from birth -1 year, 6 drops daily. Children 1 to 12 years, 8 drops daily. Shake well before use. Give directly or mix in your child's favorite drink. Other ingredients: vegetable glycerin, deionized water, natural mixed berry flavor. Warnings: store in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.